You've probably seen it all over TikTok. People buying a pressure washer for a couple £100, cleaning a driveway, and suddenly claiming they're making thousands a month. It looks like one of the easiest ways to make money in the UK right now. But here's the thing, what they don't show you is what it actually takes to turn this into real income. Because yes, you can start with around £200 to £500, a basic petrol pressure washer, some cleaning solution, and you're technically in business. But getting the equipment is the easy part. The hard part is getting people to actually pay you. At the start, you're not charging big money. You might be doing full driveways for £50, maybe £80 if you're lucky. And that sounds decent until you realize how long it takes. Dragging hoses, setting up, cleaning, packing down. You can easily spend 2 to 3 hours on a single job. Now suddenly, that easy money doesn't feel so easy anymore. And that's where most people quit. Because what nobody tells you is, this isn't just pressure washing, it's marketing, it's knocking doors, posting on Facebook groups, handing out leaflets, getting ignored again and again. And for the first few weeks back, you might barely make anything at all. And that's the part most people don't have the patience for. But here's where it starts to change. The ones who stick with it start getting repeat customers. Neighbours see the work, people ask for quotes, word starts spreading, and now instead of chasing work slowly starts coming to you. And that's when prices begin to go up. £100 jobs, £150 jobs, bigger driveways, better clients, then eventually commercial work, car parks, shop fronts, housing blocks. And this is where the numbers people talk about online actually start to become realistic. Now you're not doing one job a day, you're stacking jobs, 2, 3, sometimes more. But even here, there's another side people don't show, because the more work you take on, the more time you're spending traveling, quoting, organising. You're not just cleaning driveways anymore, so you're running a business, and that comes with its own pressure. And then there's the weather. Rain cancels jobs, cold weather slows everything down. Winter can completely kill demand. So those £1,000 weeks, they're not every week. And this is where the reality really hits. Because on paper, it looks like easy money. But in real life, it's inconsistent, it's physical. And it depends completely on how much effort you put in. But there's something else people leave out. There's no pension, no sick pay, no paid holidays. If you don't work, you don't earn. And that changes how you look at the money completely. And then there's insurance. If you damage someone's driveway or something goes wrong on a job, that's on you. You need public liability cover. And that's another cost people don't think about when they see easy money videos. Then comes equipment. Because that £200 setup, that's just the start. As you take on bigger jobs, you need better machines, you need stronger pressure or more reliable equipment, and that costs money. And when things break, which they will, you're not working until it's fixed. No backup income, no safety net, just downtime and lost money. But here's the other side. If you treat it properly, if you build a reputation, get regular clients, stay consistent, then yes, this can turn into serious money. There are people in the UK doing this full time, making £3,000, £4,000, even £5,000 a month. Some even scale it further. Hiring people, running multiple jobs at once and turning it into a proper business. But again, they didn't get there in a week. They didn't get there from one viral TikTok. They built it over time. So when you see videos saying this is easy money, they're not exactly lying, but they're definitely not telling you the full story, because this isn't just spraying water on a driveway. It's everything behind it that decides whether you make money or give up after 2 weeks. So the real question is, would you actually stick it out long enough to make it worth it?